Hey everybody, it's Ken
And Camille.
and Camille from Two Drunk Brothers Garage. This is Ray's daughter. We have her 2007 Chevy Avalanche. Going to do an oil change on it today, and we'll get the oil changed, and we'll get this video posted so you guys can watch it. Yeah. We'll turn around the camera. We'll get the truck jacked up, and get it going.
All right.
Okay, guys, we're going to get this jacked up, and then we'll start getting under there and showing you doing the oil change.
Beanies.
All right, everybody, we got the truck up. We got it on jack stands. Myself and Camille are going to get under here and undo the oil filter and the drain plug, get it drained out, and then once we get it drained out, plug back in and oil filter back up. We'll let it back down and get some oil in it.
We have with this.
So get in here. Here's the oil filter, and where is the drain plug? I see. So I always take the oil filter off first,
okay,
and get it draining, and it's gonna run down. It will run down the filter on you.
Where are you? Okay.
I always, you can bring that light, drag that light back here so it shines the big light.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Drag it under here and shine it back up towards this way. Put it up here, yeah, and turn it facing the front of the truck. That way it's.
I'm gonna move this here towards me.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Where is?
So it should be what? Wait. Okay, so there's that.
Is there a plug on the side of the right? On that side of the.
There's this.
No, that's transmission.
Plug on the right side. It should be right.
No, that's transmission.
Up here?
Engine oil's right here. Don't tell me we're gonna have to take that skid plate down.
Hold on.
See, I can't.
Give me this.
Is there a drain plug right on the side of that pan, that oil pan right there?
Oil pan right here?
Yeah, right there.
There is, yeah, right here.
Yeah, okay.
Yep, that's it. Right.
That's it.
That's where it's coming from. Okay. Like I'm blind. Okay. Yeah, you might want to come around here. Because actually, no, because then the oil filter is here too. So. All right.
So you're going to have to do that with your hands way over your head so you don't get oil all over you.
Yeah.
So that's going to run all over that cross member and stuff.
And yeah, I'm going to move this real quick.
Yep.
So that it's not going to...
Oh, I ain't worried about getting oil over that.
And then let's see. So it's dripping over here. Oops.
You can take one of those old rags, those older ones, and wipe all that up while you're... I ain't worried about the oil on the floor, Camille.
Okay.
We have oil dry for that.
All right. So let's see what we got to work with. With this. And wipe all of this. Pre-wipe it up.
Yeah, you can wipe some of that off just so it's not dripping on you. And on that pan and that whole, yeah, you definitely got a rear main oil leak.
Yeah.
Bad thing, those things cost a lot of money to fix. Sucks.
Do we want to wait for it to cool down or no?
No.
That's fine.
You're fine.
Okay.
You'd be waiting all day for that to cool down.
All right.
No, do your oil filter first. I mean, it don't matter because one's gonna have to drain. I always do the oil filter first.
Yeah.
So it's done, and then because you're gonna have oil leaking from 2 different spots.
Oh, I wouldn't just do this first. Wait until the bulk of it goes, and then the oil filter.
It takes longer for that to drain out than it does the oil filter, because you're gonna once you get the oil filter loose, it's gonna start draining right away, and you're gonna let that go right in
the messiest.
Yeah, it is. That's why I say you got to kind of do that with over your head.
Okay. All right. So, okay. Let's see what we got here.
Should be.
So right here.
Yeah.
No, this placement here.
And then you kind of want to probably bring that over top of that.
Yeah.
You got to kind of hold that so it makes it tight at the same time, so you can
tighten it. Hold it at the angle where it will make it.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. We're gonna slide this up there.
And
then kind of.
And then just it might be a little hard. Who did your last oil change? Some people put them things on so frickin' tight. It's not funny.
Yeah.
I may have to.
Is the right way? Okay, hold on.
Should be the right way.
We're doing it like that. Okay. So.
Just hard. It's actually pretty easy. Go ahead. You're all right until just get it so then you can start turning it by hand.
Okay.
And you may have to no, and then readjust the wrench and go back.
Yeah. Oh, cool. I have one of these actually, but not this kind.
Wow.
What?
That ain't tightening it, is it?
No, it's supposed to be lefty. That's right. So I need to go to left. Shit.
I was thinking you were going the right way. I always forget.
Well, I don't know.
I don't know why.
Depends on where your position, I guess. But this is left. Hold on.
No.
Yeah, that's left. Because which way are we coming from? Yeah, there we go.
They didn't have that very tight. I mean, they're only supposed to be hand tight.
Yeah.
But that could be a lot of your oil leaking problem if that's loose. Just pushing it.
Okay.
Just dirt.
Just waiting for all of it to come falling out.
I must have bumped the butt.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, it's going to go. Now see if you can turn it by hand.
It's going to go what?
It's going to start running down.
Okay.
Oh, you got the rags. Oh, you should have kept that white one off the floor because we needed it to be dried or clean to wipe that area off up there where the gasket goes.
Okay. Let's see.
Yep.
There we go.
Not doing a very good. There's a trick that I don't have no cups. Some people take solo cups and put them up on there and twist that off so it catches that oil. That's
the one the one that I was pointing to before. Remember, it's up there.
You can't use that. You got the solo cup goes. You put the solo cup over that and you squeeze the solo cup and twist the filter. You can't do that with the.
Do you want me to hold it?
Huh? No, you gotta just spin it off now. Get it off.
Okay.
It's gonna be slippery, so. And get ready to. You're gonna have to hold on to it.
Yeah.
Because it'll fall, slip right out of your hand.
Okay.
Get that pad that way. Is it warm?
Well, yeah. It is.
Not hot burning you, is it?
No.
Okay.
Thankfully. Okay.
It's got lots of threads, but just get ready for that thing to.
I'm slowly doing it
Yeah.
because I do not want to be.
It should be done leaking.
Yeah.
Now, once you get it down, just dump the oil out of the filter into the pan.
Okay. There we go.
I'm wondering if that was not some of the cause of your leaking there, because you were tightening that with that filter wrench, and you shouldn't have been able to tighten that much.
Yeah. Oop. There we go.
And just turn it over.
Dang nabbit. There we go.
And then here, we're taking, just after it drains a little bit, just set it on all these rags right side up. So it don't.
Yeah.
You won't get it all out, so that's good for now. Just set it on that rag. And then take here, take one of these rags and wipe your hands off with.
Okay.
And then take that white rag and all where that O-ring and stuff would seat on there. Get that all cleaned off, wipe the threads off. I mean, some oil still drip out.
The white rag.
You should be able to move the oil pan over now towards where you're going to drain to the drain plug.
Okay.
It shouldn't.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it shouldn't leak.
So
I mean, you're going to wipe most of that off. So
yeah. Let's see. Hold on.
she's going to wipe that area off up there.
Just getting it all on there. Okay.
Keeps focusing
There
on
you
your hand. I mean, you'll have some drippage, but.
All right. So where the hell is this? Where? Oh. Okay.
Because you want that clean, no dirt on it. Because if any dirt gets under the seal, it'll cause a leak.
Okay. So
Just,
is this
just wipe.
right clean? Yeah.
Just wipe it all clean. Yep.
All right. On the O.
Where the threads go.
Yeah. Oh,
that
everything.
flat surface where the seal goes on.
Okay.
Just wipe everything clean up in there.
All right.
And then get your new oil filter and put some oil in it, and then we'll get that put back up.
Okay. So.
Okay, I preloaded the. Sorry about the fingers. Preloaded the oil filter for her, and then put some oil on the O-ring, the gasket. You're spilling some oil out of it.
Shit. All right.
So just put it straight up in there and screw it on.
Okay.
I know they don't make room. Think of my big hand in there trying to do that.
Alright. I want to like retwist it here.
Huh?
Oh no! I said I don't want to.
You're not gonna cross there. You
okay?
Man, if you cross-thread that one, that's a good one. You should be able to just start spinning it.
Okay. Smooth spinning. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, there we go.
If you have to, because it's slippery, take
like,
your rag and wipe it off a little. Wipe makes your hands stick a little better. Oh, even now because you're slipping, and wipe the filter off. And you could probably use the filter to kind of help turn it anyways.
All right, and then just.
No, you don't ever use a wrench.
Oh, fine.
Let me see if I can reach that. Okay, we got the filter up. I reached under there and finished tightening it for Camille. Oh, she's gonna pull the drain plug out.
Alright, let's see.
Did you check to see if that was 15 millimeter?
It's 14.
It's 14.
I believe. Yeah.
Did you bring the 14 down?
No, I didn't.
All right, so we found out the plug ain't a 15, 14. It's a 13. I think my 2012 is a 14 millimeter. They can't decide on what size. They can't make everything one size.
Okay, let's see.
Just break it loose. It ain't gonna start leaking right away.
We got lefties. Okay.
It ain't gonna break. It ain't gonna squirt until you pull the plug out.
I know. I just
pull hard, because somebody may have over tightened that one. Oh. I might have to come down there and break her loose.
hold on. All right. Let's see. We got. Okay.
Don't hurt yourself, because when it breaks loose, it'll freaking might smack your hand or something.
Right here. That's okay.
Wow, someone's got that.
Gosh. All right, hold on.
You're going there right now. It ain't gonna. You want it down there.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you have a little thing?
Hold up. Okay, she got it broke loose. Just now take it off there and turn it by hand.
Okay. All right.
Oh, you're gonna be all the way out before that even starts
going.
Yeah. You know what I like to do? I take in one hand while I'm pulling the plug out. I hold the pan up.
Okay, good. I was like,
just don't let go of the bolt.
Yeah, I won't.
Because then it gets
dirty,
and then you gotta even clean it off more.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Pull.
All right, hold on.
Just pull. Just pull. Don't sit there and set the pan down and just catch the aim.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll make more mess to sit there trying to pull it out really slow.
Yeah.
The faster you do it, the better.
Okay.
Get a rag and wipe things off while you're waiting for that to drain. And then once that gets all the way done drain, you got to wipe that hole off really good, wipe the plug off really good, because you don't want no dirt. See that little drip that's coming down?
Yeah.
Pull the pan back so it catches it all. I mean, you got the pad down, which helps.
Mm-hmm.
even remember I have those things until you said something. I always make a mess on the floor. Pull the pan back, pull the pan back, pull the pan back.
I just remember you saying about your everything getting dirty.
Well, that's because I have somebody else that likes to use the shop, not clean his mess up.
There we go.
I clean my mess up when I'm done. Especially with spilled oil.
Yeah.
Then I don't want to track it around. I don't want to track it around the shop, you know.
Okay. All right. There we go.
This is one reason why I want to lift, because then the
little
truck
more
is
room there.
It's level,
Mm-hmm.
and you can. I mean, it's getting about 99% of the oil out of that pan,
Mm-hmm.
but there's always a little. You never can get it
all the way
100% when it's tilt back like this.
Yeah.
Was there any metal pieces stuck to the end of that?
Yeah.
That means you're getting a little wet. That's a magnet on the end of that.
There's little metal
try to-
chips.
That's just a sign of wear. If you got great big pieces, then I'd be worried.
Okay. I was like, oh. All right.
That's probably good. Take and wipe the hole off, and where you can use the white one to do that one. Or it don't matter.
Look, we can see it. There we go. There. Yes.
Make sure that whole surface is wiped off. Make sure there's no dirt, because it's got a seal like the. And it's going to continue to drip once you put the plug in a little bit. You're going to have to, once you get it, you can take that out of there and then just take the rag down, put that in there.
Mm-hmm.
And then once you get it started, and then wipe it. Because it should stop dripping then.
Just one little tiny area.
Well, you can wipe it again after you get it tight, so.
All right. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead.
Don't forget to flip your wrench. Flip the thing on it. Make sure you're going. Now I want you can push it. Yeah, just push that out of the way. So if you slip and fall, that thing falls, it'll splash and make a mess on you.
Yeah. All right.
I want you to tighten that as tight as you can get it.
Okay.
Because you saw how tight it was. That's a guy tightening it.
Maybe.
Unless you did your oil change last.
No, is it Lube Express?
Oh yeah. Yeah, they tend to over tighten.
All right, I think that's one more.
That's probably good.
Yeah.
It ain't gonna.
All right.
Okay, we got the truck down on the ground. We're gonna put the oil in now. Take your cap off there.
It's kind of.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to pull off. Oh, of course that ain't gonna. I got a better one.
Alright.
Yeah, this hood don't open very
I
far.
know, I'm like, here, hold on. Just,
And I've never seen one that has a shock in it.
yeah.
Most of them don't have the shocks in them.
I can pour this. There we go. Look at that. Da-na-na-na.
So we'll dump this one in, we'll start it, and then we'll check it to see. I know it takes a little bit. Slow down. You're coming out right here. Slow down.
Okay.
It's starting to push out. All right, it's down. 12 o'clock.
Ooh. Nice. So this is 5 quarts. All right. Yeah, it's not. Maybe I just. All right, there we go. Okay, run it and then just put a little bit more in there.
We'll check it.
Okay.
But you gotta put the cap on it. When you do that, you might wipe around that again. You might want to wipe around the filler tube again. Just set that on that bucket.
Okay.
You're gonna need it some more anyways.
And just wipe it. Don't get any dirt in there. Awesome.
It goes hard, yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Pull the yellow dipstick out. Pull hard.
There we go.
And then leave it out and then go start. And we'll let it run for just lay it right here, it's fine.
Okay.
It ain't going nowhere. Oh shit.
What? Ready?
That's good. The oil pressure should have came up.
I should have checked it. Alright, where's my oil? There it is. Yep.
That's good. Shut it off.
Okay. Nope.
No, don't
Empty.
put in check. You got to check it first. Got to check it first.
Oh, okay.
Because it could be full. And you want it when you look at the dipstick. Let's see what side is it on. It's got the 4 or the 5 dots and then the hash marks. As long as it's in the area, but I mean full is up here, of course.
Yeah.
If it's down
Right in the middle, maybe.
Well, no, you want it all the way up to the top if you can. But if right now, if you stick this in there and it's at that second dot right there, that's plenty full enough.
Okay.
See, it's still, it's only down at the first.
Yeah, it needs a lot of
So you need about another quart.
Okay.
Just leave that out.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Wipe it off and leave it out.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Take
yeah.
your...
Take this cap off first. Okay. And actually...
Put your funnel back in there.
Probably turn it.
Now, if you look on this back here, look back here, see how it's got liters and it's got quarts. That's full at 5. You want to bring down to 4.0 You want to put a cord in there. You got a tab in there. Your thing. You got to.
Oh.
Yeah, don't let that fall. You don't want to dump that in your engine.
Mm-mm.
Here, yeah, there you go.
All right.
It would get stuck in your oil pickup, and that wouldn't be good.
Yeah, that would.
It would
cry.
clog.
Okay. There we go. Slow.
Oh, keep going.
Okay.
I'll tell you when to stop. And if you overfill, that's not good. It'll make you start smoking really bad because you overfilled it.
Okay. What happens? You just leave it in there until
No, you have to drain some out. Okay. That's
We'll be
good.
right there.
Let's check it.
Okay.
No, check that. See how much you don't.
It's about
You want to go down to that 4.0 before we check it.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Check it again.
Well, it's about less. But yeah, we'll try it.
Huh?
It's about less.
Just put your cap on that so you don't spill that, and then put your here. I'll take that.
Okay.
I got it. See, I don't have. Yeah, you got a little bit more. No, you didn't have to put that on yet.
Another trucker. Okay, hold on.
Because you might have to put a little more in there. Just stick your dipstick.
Oh, okay.
Because this time you don't have to start it. You already got the oil.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So.
Just the very initial time do you have to start it.
I was like, don't fall, Cap.
Yeah, right.
All right.
Hurt. Once you start pulling, you want to pull it because it'll leak. See? Yep, it's good.
Yeah, I think it is. It's like right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's right in there.
Awesome.
Straight up to the top.
Cool.
All right, so we got oil full.
Yeah. Woo!
And that's Camille's oil change.
Yep. And I'm going to mark the date and next time.
Right your odometer.
Yep. And reset the oil
light. Yep. All right, everybody. We got Camille's oil change done. And we checked the U-joints. The U-joints don't have no grease zerks in them. Sorry, brother.
They're greaseless.
They're greaseless. We put greaseless U-joints back in. Neither drive shaft has them on there. And we didn't film that part. But no biggie. But cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers to you, brother. Wish you could be here. Cheers, Camille.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching. Two Drunk Brothers Garage. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know if you like the video.
Cheers.